Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Travel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be discussing how you can insert privacy policy option in checkout page and as well as in trip inquiry form. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started. WP Travel plugin provides the feature regarding accepting terms and conditions before booking a trip. If you want customers to accept privacy policy before they book the trip, then you can insert privacy policy so that it will be added in the checkout form as well as inquiry form as per your requirement. If you are wondering about how to insert privacy policy in checkout form and inquiry form as well, please follow along this step-by-step guide. So after activating WP Travel plugin, to insert privacy policy you have to add a GDPR message which will be displayed in the front end section. To do so, right now as you can see we are on our admin's dashboard, and from there you need to head over to WP Travel and settings. From here you need to head over to miscellaneous options, and here you will be able to see this GDPR message, and in front of that you can see a field inside which it is written, by contacting us you agree to our privacy policy. If you do not want to insert a privacy policy, then you can leave the GDPR message section blank. Now you need to assign a privacy policy page so that the privacy policy message will be appeared on the checkout page by going to settings and from there to privacy. In here you will be able to see this change your privacy policy page, and in front of that is a drop down. We have a lot of options in here, and you can see these are actually the pages that are currently active. From here you need to select privacy policy page and click on this blue use this page button. And now we are pretty much done. Let's just head over to our frontal page and see how is it looking. And to do so, from your admin's dashboard you need to head over to your trips, and from there to all trips. You can select any trip of your choice, and once you do that you need to click on update and preview changes. Right now as you can see we are on our front end page, and let's just quickly book a trip. After selecting a date, I'm going to be selecting a pricing and a packs. Finally click on book now. You can see right now we are directed towards our checkout section, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, here you'll be able to see that our privacy policy is now added. You can see a privacy policy title, a checkbox which is needed to be checked, and in front of that it is written, by contacting us you agree to our privacy policy. And when you click on this link, you can see we are directed towards our privacy policy page where all of the terms and conditions are mentioned. Now the privacy policy is not only important for the compliance of different privacy legislations, but data privacy policies are also helpful in setting expectations with your website visitors. They'll know that the type of data that you're collecting and why you're collecting, and how they can contact you with the questions and concerns. Similarly, from your trips page, if you click on this trip inquiry option, you will be able to see that our privacy policy is also being displayed below in here. So you can see we also have this checkbox and our statement in here also, so it is working perfectly. So that's how you yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And so yeah guys, that's how you can insert privacy policy option in the checkout page and as well as in inquiry form page. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.